Hey guys, welcome to Venpress channel on YouTube. 5 tips on how to make your home a place of relaxation and finding inner peace. Today I will share a few tips on how to make your home a place of relaxation and finding inner peace. Tip number 1. Embrace your home walls with mood-boosting cheerful colors. Because it helps in giving your home an optimistic and energy-filled space which can help you and your family members to meet relaxation and retreat, which can help the mind to find and embrace peace, joy, happiness and relaxation, which brings a sense of uplifting, warmth and coziness. The second tip on making our home a place of relaxation and peace is, create a multifunctional space. Multifunctional and versatile space in a home for working, entertainment, or relaxing can help you and family members in satisfying multiple needs by unifying details and achieving impressive results. The third tips in making your home a place of relaxation is, bringing nature and aesthetics to the home. This shows our importance of self-care. Nature like home plants, bad gardening help ease the environment by reducing anxiety and mindful actions, and even de-stresses the mind from our health to our work abilities, sexuals, and many aspects of our life. As a result, this can help us improve sleep as with meet a point of relaxation in our home and achieving perfect peace. The fourth amazing tip to making our home point of relaxation and inner peace is by introducing handcraft and creating memory walls in the home. Modern artworks and intricate wallpapers to decorative decals, treasured arts and plates collections that are full of conjuring happy memories help draw a pure reflection in your home and family and your family distinctiveness, which create an ambience of peace and relaxation. The fifth final booster tip in making your home a place of relaxation and finding peace is by highlighting and personalizing your home. Making a signature of your home space is a great way to invite happiness and a lift of your personality. Personality segments and storage spaces, architectural highlighted features, gives you a room to swiftly access what you need. This helps benefit a declustered space for health, fitness, well-being. And it's a crucial way to keep our mind clear, creating a cozy mood with peace ambience to achieving a point of relaxation in the home. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to Venpress channel for more on YouTube. Remember to give 8 comments and a like. Send in your questions and they will be well attended to. See ya.